Shifting our focus to Türkiye now, the country's parliament approved a landmark law aimed at supporting the reintegration of Kurdish PKK militants who lay down their weapons. The measure is being seen as a major step in ending decades of deadly violence. The terror-free Türkiye law is the country's first legislative step towards ending decades of violence. It provides legal protections for many former militants who have not committed specific crimes and facilitates the suspension of prison sentences for some people convicted of PKK membership, paving the way for their reintegration into society. It comes 18 months after jailed PKK founder Abdullah Öcalan urged his followers to disarm and pursue democratic means. After 12 hours of debate, lawmakers voted 468 to 88 with 6 abstentions, marking a major step in the peace process. Around 3,500 PKK-linked detainees could be released in the initial phase. That is around a third of the number held in Turkish prisons. However, people involved in serious crimes such as murder would be excluded.
Result of the open vote on the bill numbered on the agenda regarding the strengthening of national solidarity and social cohesion. Number of votes 562, accepted 468, rejected 88, abstentions 6. The proposal has been accepted and enacted as law.
But Öcalan's own future remains unclear. The law does not specify what will become of the jailed PKK founder who has spent 27 years in solitary confinement on İmralı Prison Island near Istanbul. Turkey's vice president has said Öcalan's case does not fall within the scope of the legislation. The PKK has warned that excluding him could undermine the implementation of the new law. The PKK has warned that excluding him would be a red line, saying many of the bill's provisions could remain a dead letter if he is not freed. The legislation, which provides limited amnesty, it was backed by President Recep Tayyip Erdogan's ruling Justice and Development Party, known as the AK Party, and the pro-Kurdish Democratic People's Party, known as the DEM Party.
I extend my deepest gratitude to our president, who ensured that this historic alignment became a state policy and who has been a key actor in the success of this process. I would also like to particularly emphasize that the Grand National Assembly of Türkiye has made historic contributions toward the governance of a Turkey without terrorism.